This problem is called Exes and Oxes. We will get the string in an input. It will contain a letter O and X, and we need to check is there the same number of O's and X's. If there is the same number, like here for example, we return true. If it's like this, 3 X's and 2 O's, we return false. Simple. So we need to count how many X's and how many O's are in the string and compare those two. How we will do that? Let's do this with one line. Return. It's easy to count a character in a string. There is a function for that. So we type string s dot count, and in the brackets we say x. So count x in the string s, and we get the integer, we get one number, for example 2 x's. Is that number equal to, again, s dot count, but now we count O's, and test this. These are passed, but look at this now. The main test, we actually failed few. Why? Because there are some words where there are big O's and big X's, and capital, actually capital, that's more correct way to say. So we need to lower all the letters in the string, and we do that like this. S equals to s dot lower, empty brackets. And now we first we lower all the now there is no big X, big O, all the small letters, and now we count. Test, attempt, and we passed all the tests. So this was a little thing to watch out. But let's do this more elegantly. Actually, we will do this in a one-liner. I'll delete this, and we will first here s dot lower, empty brackets, dot. First we lower s and then count x's, and here the same. First we lower and then we count O's. This should work. One line. Attempt. You have passed all the tests, and this is it for this one.